Simplifying expression is the same thing as combining like terms. And when we do that, we just have to make sure that what we're putting together is the same. Let's look at our first example here. You'll notice that in your first example, you have this 12x, this negative 3x, and this negative 11x. Now, I would ask you, are all these things the same? Hopefully you would say yes. They are all x's, though this one is a positive and these two are negatives. So are they the same that way? No. But are they all the same term? Hopefully you say yes, they are all x's. So I would say, can you combine them? Hope you say yes. Can you put them all in one bucket? Hopefully you say yes. Now, how you put these things together is totally up to you. What I usually tell students is, if you have more of one thing, put them together first. And what I mean by that is that I actually have two negatives and one positive. So for adding purposes, I think it might be a little easier to put the negatives together first. So if I put a negative 3x together with a negative 11x, then I'm actually going to have negative 14x's. Now, I have this positive 12x that I have to combine with that. Now, what is a positive 12x with also combined with a negative 14x? Did you say negative 2x? Because I would agree. Let's try this again. Notice on this next example, your terms are not all the same. Do you notice that you have a v here, a v here, a v here, but then you also have this number here and this number here. So, can you combine everything? The answer is no. Can you combine the v's? Yes, I can put all the v's in one bucket. Can you put the numbers in another bucket? Yes. So I need two buckets. One bucket's going to have these in it. The other bucket's going to have these single numbers listed in it. All right, let's get to counting. Now, this can be quite challenging. Again, remember, you have a negative. We use a different color. You have a negative 26v, and you want to combine it with a positive 45. Now, like again, if you'd like to combine things that are the same, well, let's go ahead and put that 45 together with that 8. So 45 V's and 8 V's is going to give me, what is that? 53 V's. Now, that's this one and this one together. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch those out. Now I have to combine it with this. So if I put a positive 53 together with a negative 26, then that's like subtracting it out, right? So that's going to leave me with 26, 27. I think that's actually 27 if I'm not mistaken. So that's going to leave me with 27 positive V's. So I would say, well, I have 27 V's. What about the numbers? Well, I have a positive 16 and a negative 4. Or another way to say that is plus 16 and a minus 4. But a 16 and a negative 4 together is going to give me a 12. So I'm going to have a 27V plus a 12.